Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you where to find the serial number of your laptop. First of all, you can read the serial number of your laptop from the back cover of your device, but if you cannot read it from there, you can alternatively turn it off, and once it's turned off, you'll have to enter the BIOS menu, and in the BIOS menu there also will be the serial number of your device. So press the power button once, and once your laptop starts booting up, start pressing F2 button until you see the BIOS menu, and in BIOS menu you'll find the serial number of your device. So for me it's this one, and you can check yours right here. So thank you for watching this video. And if you want to exit this menu, press enter, press escape and enter. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.